Tampa Bay Lightning were swept out by Montreal last spring. Now they've won themselves a playoff do-over. 2-on-1 shorthanded. Buchanan's Pacioretty. Buchanan's great save by Bishop. Spectacular goaltending as advertised. Andre Schuster, a hard pass, didn't get to anyone. Carl with a shot up the boards. They score. Tyler Johnson in front, tipped the puck by Carey Price, and Tampa has finally solved this great Montreal goaltender. Here's Pacioretty with a shot, scores! After all those wonderful saves, Pacioretty with a breakthrough shot. It's a 1-1 game. Flat, got a puck through. Here's Kucherov in alone. Deeks, great save by Price. They score on the rebound. Or did the whistle go? He waved it off. Kucherov thought for sure he'd ended this, but he pushed the pads of Carey Price across the goal line, and the whistle went, albeit late, but the decision had been made. Pattern and the puck taken away right in front. Kucherov shoots, he scores! Nikita Kucherov off the bench to the front of the net. Tampa strikes first in the series.
These two teams faced each other the past 2 years. Chicago won both, but that was then. This is now. The play goes to the right side to Saad, trying to come inside. First goal, Chicago. Saad, 1-0. Chicago will keep it in. Shot. 3-0, Chicago. Koivu on the side. The shot deflected in front of the net. Score! Power play goal, and Minnesota fights back and cleared ahead by Brodin again. Chicago in a little trouble here. Center and score! Tie game! And it went around the net. Chicago keeping it. Score! Shot from the blue line. It was not easy. A 4-3 win for Chicago.